Welcome to this BoldDesk AI Agent tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to track AI agent performance using a dashboard. This dashboard is a powerful tool for monitoring how your AI agents are performing, identifying gaps, and saving time. From the left side panel, select Performance under the Analytics section to open the Performance page. Then choose the AI Agent Performance dashboard. You can also access this dashboard from the Reports module. To view the AI Agent Performance dashboard, you must have the View AI Report and View Analytics permissions enabled for your role. By default, only the account owner role has these permissions enabled, but the account owner can create custom roles and enable these permissions for them. Inside the dashboard, the Overview Statistics widget provides a snapshot of key metrics. You will see the total number of conversations handled and the deflection rate, which is how many issues were resolved without human help. The escalation rate shows how many conversations were passed to human agents, and then you can see the resolution rate. One of the most valuable metrics is human hours saved, which shows how much time the AI agent has saved your team. Next, the Top 5 Escalated Agents widget shows which AI agents are struggling with complex queries and escalating conversations most often. This helps you identify which agents may need refinement or retraining. Then there's the Top 5 Conversation Breakdown widget, which shows the most active AI agents and breaks down performance by brand. The Conversation Breakdown section lets you analyze conversations by brand, resolution category, resolution type, and source channel. You can view this data in various formats: pie chart, donut chart, pyramid chart, funnel chart, or grid view based on what works best for you. You can also find a time-based view of AI agent conversations, which can be displayed as stacked bar, column, and line charts. The dashboard also includes detailed AI agent statistics, listing up to 100 records categorized by brand, resolution category, resolution type, and source channel. You can apply specific filters and save your view for future use. Saved views can be private, shared with all other agents, or limited to specific groups. You can even pin favorites or set a default view to load automatically. The AI Agent Report offers a comprehensive overview of how AI agents are performing across customer conversations. It provides key metrics such as the number of resolved conversations, abandoned sessions, and those escalated to human agents. In the Conversations widget, you can track resolution category and types, giving deeper insight into how issues are being handled. You can also view individual chat transcripts, helping you assess the quality and outcome of each interaction. You can filter the data by date range, AI agent name, resolution category, and type to tailor your analysis. Once you've customized your view, you can save and share it with your team or set it as your default dashboard. This makes it easier to monitor trends, identify gaps, and optimize your support strategy using AI. That's it. If you're looking to optimize your support operations, this dashboard is your go-to tool. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.